In this video, I'll show you how you can add extensions to your Firefox browser. Now the way that you can do this is you want to come up to the search bar and type addons.mozilla.org, just like this. Press enter and it will take you to this page. So addons.mozilla.org, just like this. Once you're in here, you want to press on extensions, and then you have a couple of options. So you can either search for a specific one, or you can go to the categories. So let's say you want to go to privacy and security. It will show you a lot in here. So let's say you want to use any of these. Let's just say you want to use this one. You want to come here and you just want to press add to Firefox, and then it's going to add it to your Firefox. Now this is the official Firefox. Mozilla is the one who owns Firefox. So this is the official website. So don't worry about it being like virus and stuff. But just to be completely sure, just check for the reviews. This one has 1.4 million. So obviously it's not gonna be a bad one. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.